Welcome to How to Become an Autonomo from NIE to Tax Mastery. I'm really glad that you could join us on this course. My name is James and I'm going to be your instructor. What is the aim of this course? Well, my aim and my goal is to explain all the concepts of Spanish bureaucracy in very simple, plain English in a step-by-step guide so that you can follow yourself. I'm going to take you through everything you need to know from the very first step of having nothing in Spain to getting your NIE, to registering as a self-employed worker, to declaring expenses, to creating invoices, and finally to filing your own taxes on the Spanish government websites. All of this I hope to explain clearly without complicated jargon and in a step-by-step guide. Why are we making this course? Well, I wish a course like this existed 10 years ago when I started my first business here in Gran Canaria, in one of the Canary Islands in Spain. I found that I could learn a lot of the things related to business relatively easy, such as digital marketing, hiring, logistics, but the Spanish bureaucracy was something that I could never get my head around. Of course, I reached out to accountants to help me. I've been using multiple accountants over the last 10 years, and recently, in the last 2 or 3, I found excellent advisors who are helping me build this course. But the thing I found problematic with accountancy in Spain, number one, accountancy is not a regulated profession, so anyone can technically call themselves an accountant and have no real degree or maybe even education in the field. This is obviously a problem. But 2, if you do find an accounting firm that you like, oftentimes they promise a lot of things. It sounds very good at the start, but you will find that if your account is small especially, this account will be dedicated maybe to one of their interns or someone of less experience, and they will then focus their energies on big accounts or onboarding new clients so that they can grow your business. This often leads to a lot of mistakes in your accounts and definitely will lead to poor communication and maybe not understanding certain concepts. So even if you're using an accountant, I really hope that this course is going to give you a backbone of information so that you can question things and understand what's going on behind the scenes. My real aim for this course is that if you were to follow every lesson step by step, you can do everything yourself, from registering yourself to doing your own taxes yourself. And this hopefully will save you hundreds, maybe even thousands in accountancy fees. But of course, that might not be for everyone. You might not feel comfortable with this, but even if you do get an accountant, I really hope this course is going to allow you to have the knowledge to question what they do and to understand what they do and to save you a lot of time and a lot of stress. So a big welcome to this course. I really hope this is going to guide you through all the steps of starting your life here in Spain and also starting your first business. We're going to start now with the next lesson, which of course is the very basics. What is an autónomo?